I'm glad you all joined me here because I want you all to hear what I wrote about my dear friend Oscar.
Oh, no way, hey!
This is what I wrote. My friend Oscar did something wonderful for me today.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Wonderful? Oh, why did I keep my mouth shut?
Now I know all of you think Oscar is a nasty old grouch.
Yes, and I am. They're right, on
But you're wrong. He really did something sweet and lovable.
Stop! No more!
And nice.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letters A
Nice.
and O and by the number 6. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. As usual,